Hey everyone, Sergio here. This video is going to be a highlight on the designs that you can 3D print to install on the Nike Blazer Low Acronym collaboration. So this is how it comes from, like straight out of the box. It comes with the black one installed on this colorway. To uninstall it, you would unscrew 6 screws and then you unbutton this and you can take it out. Let's leave that. So here is the shoe without the heel, and I actually like that there's a small swoosh under there. Pretty cool. So there's 10 available designs that were provided by the Solebox website. I'll put a link in the description. This is the first design right here. It's sort of like a coral reef, deteriorating looking print. And I've never tried installing any of these pieces, and I printed all of these using just regular, it's PLA plus. So you can see it doesn't have that much give. And you do have to, if it'll zoom in or if it'll focus, they're little studs, so you do have to kind of peel your design over those. So we'll see how that goes because I don't have a lot of flex. And okay, let's see. So that one lines up good. The top one sort of lines up, bottom one does not. Let's see the other side. Nowhere near where we need to be. Okay, got one of the screw holes lined up. That was that pop, or two of them actually. So that's the thing with the FDM 3D printing. Sometimes your print will shrink or whatnot. So as you can see there, I have the front and the top lined up. The bottom does not line up. And over here, top and bottom, front does not line up. If I was to put down that little clip, this is how the shoe looks with this design. This is the most normal looking design out of all of them. It's pretty nice. All right, let's check out the next one. Okay, so the next design I'm gonna show is, I nicknamed it the Monster Mouth. I printed it in transparent PLA plus. You can see it has a bunch of teeth. So this right here, I actually thought that was a support piece on this side, so I kind of snapped some of it off, which was my fault. This one's cool. You can kind of see it has like a scale-like detail to it. And we'll see if this one fits. So some of these, they have more like the original clip design, where this tab goes through the top of the two layers. Sorry, not getting that on camera. So I'm gonna try to force this thing in. I'm a little scared of damaging those inserts though, because I think they're just brass inserts. Alright, that would go through the two, in between the two layers like that. Pretty crazy. Can you imagine walking down some stairs or something, or tripping, getting that in the back of your calf? Stuff is pretty solid. All right, move on to the next one. So I forgot to mention, this one took 17 hours to print and according to Cura, 130 grams of filament for the monster mouth. All right, next up we have, I just call this one curves. So they took the original clip design, which is here, and added some big curves to it, some big swooping lines. And we'll see if this one fits. I wasn't able to, it's all loose in there. I couldn't get the support. I used tree supports on these prints. Same thing for that one. So we'll see if this one lines up. And I have confidence in this one because, well, hang on, confidence is slipping. All right, just about over on that side, and now I don't think this one's gonna work either. Let's see. I am pushing on that thing and it is not. I got the bottom one to line up. Front is off by a bit. This one, I'm gonna lift it and then try and push it. Got some movement, but still, I only got the bottom one to line up. Front one is off. You can see it kinda, but it's off. You can see how this one looks. This would go through, maybe. Actually, I'm not even sure if that would fit. Oh, there it goes. Will it clip? That is the question. And sorry, well, you can't see any of this stuff. And it will not clip. So that's this one. This one took 205 grams and the estimate was 18 hours. I did not get an actual print time on this one. Curves. Okay, next up is, I call this the jet thrusters. This took, this way. This one took 21 hours and 183 grams of filament. And as you can see right here, my printer had some issues, but it wound up correcting itself and finishing up the print okay. Place your bets. So far, only one has fit the way it should. Whoa. Oh, I just dropped the piece that I snapped off of the one I was talking about before. The monster mouth. So one side, I'm doing this off camera. Uh-oh. I don't know if those were good noises. So again, bottom is, okay, that snapped onto place, the bottom did. Top is lined up. The front is close. It's about halfway there. Other side, top lines up, bottom lines up, same deal. So this will definitely work. You would have 4 of the 6 screws installed in this one. Can you slip this through? I don't. Yes, you can. And this one will clip. Jet thrusters. These are all, you know, pretty crazy. Would you wear these out in public? These designs? I might wear the coral reef looking one. Alright, I have one left. And I'm hoping this one fits. Alright, last up, this is my personal favorite. It is the double swoosh. It took, the estimate was 19 hours to print and 183 grams of filament. The picture online of this one installed on the shoe from, I'm assuming, the person who designed it, laced it up using the extra second pair of laces that come with the shoes. And it, in my opinion, looks really cool. And on this side, man, none of these are really fitting, which is definitely disappointing. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. This one is more or less the same as the last design, where 2 of the 3 line up. Will this slip through? It gets caught, but it goes through and it does clip or snap. Yeah. Whoops. Monster mouth getting in the way. Yeah. Oh. So it snaps. There you go. And then, yeah, this one, I would not walk around like that. And because of this material so stiff, you hear that? When you do that, you're squeezing on the entire shoe. Oh, actually, take a look at that. Do you see how much that is squeezing on that shoe? Like, look how small this entry point is for your foot. Compare that to... yeah, I don't think my foot's getting in there. So these look all cool. These designs look really nice. I like them. But can I actually put my foot in this? I'm gonna loosen these laces up, try and squeeze my foot in there. We'll see what happens. I was able to get my foot in. You can definitely feel pressure in this area. I was able to get a lace through this first hole on both sides. Was not able to get it through any of these. If you walk around with these things on, these are weapons. These things are pretty pointy, and they're using as some instruments. Song of my people.